So what I would like for you to do on the second page of notes that was provided in Google Classroom today is I want you to try number 8 and number 10. I want you to try those problems first without watching the video. So go ahead and pause this video and try number 8 and number 10 on your own, and then come back to this video when you're finished in order to see if you got the problem right. So go ahead and pause this video and come back when you are finished with number 8 and number 10. So now that you've finished number 8 and number 10, let's work them together. We're substituting A with -3 and B with -5. So remember, when we square -3, it becomes a positive 9. When we square -5, it becomes a positive 25. So in the numerator, what we have is 9 plus 25. We notice in the denominator that we have a double negative. So right here, I need to change these two negatives that are right next to each other to plus. So what we have in the denominator is -3 plus 5. From here, all we have to do is add in the denominator and subtract. We have to add in the numerator and subtract in the denominator. So 25 plus 9 is 34. -3 plus 5 is 2. So from here, we just need to simplify this. We can divide the top and the bottom by 2. So we get 17 over 1, but our final answer does not need that 1 in the denominator, so we just say the final answer is 17. For number 10, we start with x. X is -3, and we need to square it. Copy down -2, open a parenthesis for multiplication. Inside the parenthesis, first we'll put -3 minus y. Y is 4 minus, then we're substituting -1 in for z, and then we need to raise that to the power of 3. So we'll do inside the parentheses first. Inside these parentheses right here, all this is -3 minus 4. The signs are the same. 3 is negative, 4 is negative. When the signs are the same, we add. 3 plus 4 is 7. Since 3 and 4 are both negative, that means they make a -7. From here, we need to apply our exponents. We've got two different places where we need to apply the exponents. -3 squared, we already said from the previous problem, is +9. We're going to copy down this -2 times -7. And then right here, we need to investigate what -1 to the third is. -1 to the third is -1 multiplied times itself 3 times. If I multiply the first two -1s together, that gives me a +1. And then when I multiply that 1 times the third -1, it changes back to a -1. So this minus is separate from this -1. So I need to copy down the minus first. And then I replace I replace -1 to the third power with what it equals, which is -1. All right, now I need to multiply. I have two numbers to multiply together here. I'm going to copy down the 9. -2 times -7 is +14. So I need to add 14. Then I look on down and I see I have a double negative that I can change to positive here. So I have +1 at the end. Going from left to right, all I have is addition. Going from left to right, 9 plus 14 is 23, and 23 plus 1 is 24.